Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, yesterday I have told that I was expecting a trending day. Since it was an average CPR, I was expecting a trending day, and this is what exactly happened. So you can see it was an average CPR and almost 6,170 to almost 6,383 level, almost 200, 215 point market has rallied, right? It was a clear uptrend. And yesterday I have very clearly warned that we should not go short at any point of the time because the market seems taking a support and it is at a very critical support. Going short is recommended only below the support zone, which was already mentioned in the previous video, right? And you can clearly see this that I have mentioned that if the market price, if the price goes above 6,210 level, it can go to the next demand and supply zone. And even you can see when it went to near to that zone, it came down and again settled at the demand zone. It became a demand zone now. And again, it started going up and it actually broke that level. It broke with an elephant candle. The elephant candle, if you don't know, I request you to attend the weekly webinar. And from there, it went all the way to our support demand zone, support zone 3, right? Which I haven't expected that level. So I didn't mention in yesterday's video. This is one demand and supply zone, right? So we if you go back, you can see this was one important point before. So many times it has taken a resistance and support this level, right? So this is what actually happened. So it's clearly showing that there was a buying interest in the evening, right? Evening session, there was clearly it was even still the buying interest was continuing, right? Even though there was a small retracement, but at our demand zone again, it took a support and it started going up, right? All the way it went up to 6,382 level, right? Okay. Now, let us see today's analysis, what I'm expecting in crude today's moment. All right. So first we will go and check NYMEX crude. See, in NYMEX crude, you can clearly see that, see, this candle we have already discussed. And yesterday, there was a big elephant candle, right? It is almost an elephant candle. It is a big green candle, which clearly indicating that buyers are dominating, right? I have mentioned that this zone is a very good support zone and it took a support and started going up, right? Now, one thing what we need to be careful is from all the way from 72.20 to 77.56, crude has moved up, right? There can be a slightly profit booking, and also we have a 20 EMA here, right, at 77.56 this level. 20 EMA will keep on change according to the market movement. So what we need to be careful is whenever we go long, we should go long at the proper location, right? There can be a slight profit booking since it's a very good rally which we got for last 2 days. There can be slight profit booking, but that doesn't mean that trend is changed. Trend still remain positive, right? Now let us see daily analysis of the MCX crude, and it's a same pattern. It actually took a support in this zone, this demand zone, and this is what happened. A big elephant candle has formed yesterday, right? Again, clearly indicating trend is positive. Buyers are actually dominating, right? As I mentioned just before, since there is a 20 EMA and since last 2 days, market has moved from 6,000 to 6,000, almost 6,400 level, 6,380 level. There can be a slight profit booking, but again, trend never changes. The trend remains positive as of now. As of now, it's looking positive. So we may be careful at which location we should go long, right? But overall trend, it's showing remain positive as long as it's above this zone, the zone which we mentioned, the 6,084 and 6,000 level, right? As long as above this zone, market remain positive, crude remain positive. Now, let us see what is 30-minute chart analysis showing. Friends, one thing you can see that yesterday's same pattern, right? It's above, the market has opened and formed the first 30-minute candle above previous day's high, right? So that's showing still the buying interest is there, but you can see it's not a strong candle, right? Previous day, that means yesterday, if you see the market opened with a bullish candle, a green big candle, right? So you can see it's an elephant candle and it is opened above previous day's high. So that is a signal for us. That is one pattern for us, right? So now even yesterday I told it is a pattern, and since it is just below the supply zone, I have mentioned that we have to wait, and we need to wait a closing candle above this level, right? This was giving us a signal. Now let us see. Right now it is not giving us any buying signal, so never get confused, because these are not elephant candle. These are small green candles which is not supporting for any buy, right? So probably, since I told you that there can be a slight selling pressure, slight profit booking or whatever, I am expecting, see here we have a 6,410 12 level, which is our weekly pivot resistance, right? And this is the same point where we have our swing high, right? Which is around 6,418 level, right? So this zone I will consider, that is 6,100 and 6,415, 6,413, this zone I will consider as a selling zone, right? It is a supply zone where day before yesterday, we had a huge selling happen from that level, right? From this level to 6,418 to 6,000, 6,008 level, right? The rally has happened from this level, right? So it was a continuous it's selling. So again, when the price comes to this level, there can be a possibility that sellers may get activated, sellers may start dominating the market, and there can be a selling pressure. So if at all, if we are getting any signal at this level, if at all any patterns we are getting, we may look for a selling opportunity, and it can settle somewhere near to the CPR range. Today's CPR range is, again, it's not a wide CPR, it is again average CPR kind of thing. It is starting from 6,335 and 6,276. This is the gap, 6,276 to 6,335, right? So this is the kind of CPR range which we have. So it's not, it doesn't mean that it is a trending day, but it can be a trending day sometime, or it can, since it's a Wednesday, it can be a trending day. Or it can be a sideways also, but it's not a wide CPR, right? Normally, wide CPR is almost 100-point difference what we normally see, right? So, and also a couple of things what I've seen. One, there is no big strong candle above this demand supply zone, right? And it is trading away from CPR range. And yesterday, if you see, CPR is a virgin CPR, right? CPR is a virgin CPR where the price has not touched CPR range. So today, so there is a possibility it can come and touch CPR, right? That is number one. And there is no bullish signal showing at this location, right? I may be looking for a long only above this level, 6,418 and above level. If the level breaks with an elephant or rocket candle, I'll be looking for a long. Otherwise, I will be looking for a short right now for an intraday trade at this location if I get a bearish signal, right, with a pattern. And I may be looking at either 6,334 or 6,304 level. This will be an ideal level for me, because today this level is one demand zone, and also we have a pivot level here, central pivot, right? So this may be ideal level I'll be looking. Anyway, we need to wait and watch. We need to see in the market how the price is behaving at each location, right? So that's all in this video, friends. So before winding up, I want to give you a disclaimer. These are my personal views. It never give you any guarantee or any success, any profit, and from this view, right? It is just personal view. Only it's giving for an educational purpose. So before taking any trades, make sure you do your own analysis. Make sure you maintain proper risk reward ratio, right? So friends, tomorrow, Thursday and Friday, we have two webinars. Both webinars are at free of cost. We are not charging for this webinar. So tomorrow we have a price action secret. In this webinar, I'm going to teach you how price action works, right? I'll be showing in Nifty, Bank Nifty. I'll be showing in time allows. I'll be showing in some stocks also. And I'll be giving you three important, main important patterns, which normally keep repeating in intraday, right? So it starts at 7:30, end up by 9:30. And again, Friday, we have scheduled a webinar called Superpower Trader, where I'll be teaching you about the psychology behind successful trader. And also I'll be teaching you money management rules, right? So let us catch up in both the webinars and learn more in detail. So thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading day. Thank you.